Welcome back to Community Health Heroes. Did you know forecasters with the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration are predicting 9 to 15 named storms, 4 to 8 hurricanes, and 2 to 4 major hurricanes for the 2019 Atlantic hurricane season? They say it should be a near normal season, but El Nino and a warmer than average Atlantic will help shape this season's intensity. Here are some preparation tips we suggested previously during hurricane season last year. It's always a good idea to prepare for at least a 2 to 3 day evacuation trip, which means bringing enough clothing, food, and water for you and your family, and some fun items like toys and DVDs for the kids to keep them occupied. Make sure to bring your medications, about a 2 to 3 week supply, and bring important medical records, your eyeglasses, hearing aids, dentures, crutches, canes, and walkers, first aid supplies, personal hygiene items, and other important things you might need while you're away from home. Now, before a storm, check your batteries, flashlights, and radios. And remember to power up your phone, computer, and other mobile devices. And check your generator if you have one. Make sure it's ready to work and stock up enough fuel for at least a week. Know the locations of shelters in your area and know who to contact if you don't have transportation. You can make a communications plan for your family by selecting someone from out of the state and telling them when you plan to evacuate and where you're planning to go. Send them all the contact information for other people who should know as well. Think about how you're going to transport babies, pregnant women, the elderly, and family pets, and always keep your car in good repair with a full tank of gas. If you can, keep a stash of cash in case there's a power outage and ATMs go down. Remember to close your storm shutters and store outdoor items that could get damaged or picked up by the wind. And try to reinforce your garage doors. Turn the refrigerator to its coldest setting and keep the doors closed. Just prior to the storm, turn off your utilities and all gas. Get candles, matches, flashlights, batteries, and a battery-operated radio and put them in a safe and accessible place. Store drinking water and water for flushing the toilet and taking baths. Fill the bathtub, pots, and clean pails with water and keep in a secure place. Now, before and during a storm, follow changing weather conditions and stay tuned to the radio, TV, or online reports. You can listen to the Louisiana Emergency Alert System broadcast in New Orleans on WWL 870 AM and sign up to get emergency alerts at NOLA Ready, and that's at ready.nola.gov. It's a division of the Office of Homeland Security and Emergency Preparedness. There, you'll learn about city-assisted evacuations, be able to sign up for a special needs registry, get traffic information and street flooding reports, and get seasonal information about how to prepare for an emergency. Again, that's at ready.nola.gov. Also, remember that contraflow lanes are not for local traffic, but for getting out of town as fast and as safely as possible. Follow the signs and directions carefully. After a storm, walk around your house to survey any damage or hazards. Stay away from downed power lines and report them to utility companies as soon as you can. Hopefully, none of us will have to evacuate for a storm this season, but it's always good to keep this kind of information in mind this time of year.